welcome back to my channel. Hi. So today I'm going to be doing kind of a follow-up on the last Genius Wigs video that I did where I applied the headband wig. And if you guys see, I'm wearing my shirt that says the original because I am the original headband wig slayer, and that's on purr. So today I'm going to be doing a video that's going to be kind of taking me back to my roots. If you guys have been with me since I first started my channel, I used to do natural hair tutorials, and today I'm going to be doing kind of a tutorial with this wig. I'm going to be showing you guys 3 hairstyles that you can do with this headband wig. 2 in the natural state and 2 in the natural state and 1 in the curly state. So let's just jump right into it. If you don't know, Genius Wigs, then burst my headband wig virginity. So let's jump right into it. So as I open the box, I see my 14-inch wet and wavy reversible headband wig. This is just how it looks. And then, how can you get a headband wig and not get any headbands? Like, it's just not done. So I have my 4 headbands here, and these are just the same as the ones that I got in the last video, as well as a wig cap and an elastic. So let's just go right into it, right? So me, I got shown how the hairstylist them do things about here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on, and if you don't know how to put on a headband wig right, if you don't know how to put on a headband wig if you don't know how to put on a headband wig by now, what you are doing yourself, like what? So let's just go on into it. For the people who might not know and this is their first time watching a video of how to put on a headband wig, you just get some gel and tame down your hair. For me, I found that it's easier to catch up my hair around the back because it's not going to show anyways. As in, when you put on the wig, it's not going to look puffy, I find. So that works for me, so I do it. So you just put some gel in your hair. Get your brush it down, make sure it's nice and sleek, and then you're going to go ahead and grab your edges brush and make your edges. Alright, so now that I have slicked down my hair and made my edges, I'm just going to go ahead and grab my wig and put it on. And it's not that hard, you just put it on as if you're putting on a headband. Just grab this part of the wig, put it over my head like so. Then I secure it. And then stick the pins in. Yo, Lip gloss, breeze, and straight hair, worst combination. Stick the pins in, then I pull down the back of the wig. 1, 2, 3. From me can do it, anybody can do it. So what I'm going to do here is that little cute half up, half down hairstyle. So I'm just going to get this section right here, so. And I'm going to make a ponytail with it. And of course you can go ahead and straighten this hair and go ahead and wet it up afterwards and you still get the curly look. It won't do anything to it. But personally, I won't straighten it just because I am going to wet it up directly after I pull this out so I can show you guys how to style it curly. And you're going to take a little piece of that and just wrap it around the base to make everything look uniform and pin it. And of course it is a headband wig, so you're going to go ahead and put on your favorite headband with this and turn it into a complete look. So I'm just going to pick a random one. I am going to go with this one. So essentially, I think this video is a buyer's guide. Like, after you buy a headband wig and you don't know how to comb it, you just come over here, so watch there, catch your stylist, talk about it. And as I say, you can straighten it, but I won't because I'm going to wet it up immediately after this second style, y'all. Cute. The second style is just going to be a basic, like, advanced version of this. So if you decide, say, you don't want to have the hair done and you want a little bun, cute schoolgirl look, you just come so. Make a nice little messy bun, but it's not all that messy, but kind of. And you just pin it. And are you that? Like, one more you want? One more you could have possibly asked for? You can make it as messy as you like. Like, cute. Like, what? Can't tell me saying on my ear, I'm straighten and just catch up. Like, this legit looks like my hair if it were to be straightened. Like, period. Alright, so now that I've showed you guys two styles that you can do with it straight, I'm going to head and wet it up and show you a style that you can do with it curly. So not go nowhere. Alright, unless you're going to grab your popcorn and run, come right back. Marco. Alright guys, so I don't know how the magic trick go, right? So I went ahead and got it curly. And if you don't know how the magic trick go, what you do? Go check out that video right there. Or if it's not right there, come on and flap my show. It will be in the description box down below. So I went ahead and got the hair curly, and as I stated before, it is 14 inches. But you know when hair get curly, it shrinks. So I'm going to show you guys the third and final style that you can do with this wig. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my next headband first. So let's see which one we want to use. I'm going to use this one. I know, I just love the more vibrant colors. Alright, so the third style I'm going to be doing for you guys, I'm going to be putting, it's essentially a half up, half down, but with two pigtails. And you know what, curls, so it's gonna look extra cute. So I'm going to just part out this little section right here. And I'm going to go ahead and use my elastic to catch it up. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the next side, because as I did with the first hairstyle, it can be worn two ways. So is it a burrata? Am I giving you guys a 3-4-4 deal? I don't know. Just go ahead and do the same thing over here. And you can leave it like this, so you'll be like a little girl, a little school girl, you know, sports day or PE day. I ain't made a PE. Just take a little piece and wrap it around the elastic, and I use that. Get ready for Garwood and be a hot girl. And that is all there is to it. So don't forget to go ahead and check out Genius Wigs for your headband wig needs. I have all their details down in the description box below. Every single thing. This hair that I'm wearing, everything. And let me tell you, this hair is so soft, and you can see it too. The curls are so nice, and it's just so soft. It's impeccable in straight and curly form, as I always say, because this is the third time working with Genius Wigs, and their wigs are always like popping. So you guys can go ahead and check them out. All their information will be down in the description box. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you liked my styling skills. Go ahead and leave a comment on what you think about this hair, how I helped you, because listen, this is the video you watch after you buy the wig from the last video when I recommended it, and you're ready for wear it now, and you're ready for come out, and you're ready for your hot girl, right? So comment below if you got this wig, if these styles helped you, and I'll see you guys in my next video.